Back in the Shire. Hopefully we don't get stuck here for 3 months again this time, like last time.
Which one?
Keep your hand in.
The brown ones? Then they are lady mallard ducks.
I didn't know it's the green ones, the white ones, and the black ones.
Okay, so this is a really random update. I'm back in London already. I didn't do any videoing out in the countryside as I intended to do. We just had some nice feeding the ducks time. But I'm back to London and I have a big box to open. It's huge. I think I know what's inside. It's pretty cool. I'm gonna open it and show you guys. Okay, so what we've got in this box is massive, huge, thick bits of styroder, which is awesome. All sorts of small bits of styroder as well. And this has been sent to me by Thomas Chicken from Chicken's Tabletop Crafting. So if you guys don't follow Chicken's Tabletop Crafting, please go and follow him. I'll leave a link down below this video. He does some awesome crafting stuff, makes awesome little bit buildings, all from styroder. And I said, oh, I love that foam, I want to get some of that foam. And he said, I'll send you a box, which is awesome. So I now have a massive box full of really thick, nice pieces of styroder. Thank you, Thomas. And I just realised that he sent me a little Christmas card as well. Merry Christmas to you and your family. Happy New Year's. Best regards, Thomas. What an absolute legend. Thank you so much, Thomas. I'm going to be doing a video with this styroder, and I will be making sure to give you a proper shout out on the channel. Alright. See you guys.